Okay, everybody, so I got my Thrive Market for the month of September. I typically order about once a month. And let me show you some of the things that I have in here. So, start with, I have some of these pork rind snacks. These are really good if you're like on keto, just trying to get, you know, some different healthier things. And you can see they're pork without antibiotics. I have some of this Pearly Elizabeth grain-free almond vanilla butter. I like to get some different varieties. These make a really good cereal, also make really good to combine them with some dairy-free yogurt, so you'll probably see some different pictures and things throughout the month of me with that kind of thing, also with like some berries, things like that. Really good anti-inflammatory, really good paleo approved. And I've got 2 bags of these pork rind things. Again, really good antibiotics, really good. Then I have got this 7 Sundays chocolate cereal, so I really like this, partly because of the chocolate that's on it, but also because it's really healthy, doesn't actually have sugar in it. Then I have in here 2 of these, some of my favorite drinks, and I'm gonna do a couple recipe posts later too. This Swoon Pink lemonade. So these have literally 0 grams of sugar because they are sweetened with, I believe it is, I guess just like a vegetable fiber, a monk fruit extract that's in it. So I have 2 of those in here. And then I also have, let's see, something else that's in here. Take that out so you can see. Oh yeah. This is going to be good. So this is one of my favorite sauces if you're gluten-free and dairy-free or vegan or whatever. This is the Primal Kitchen no dairy mild plant-based dip. So this is a really good alternative for using anything that kind of like a cheese sauce type thing. Then over in here I also have 2 more bags of these really good Thrive Market brand sweet potato chips. So the Thrive Market brand of things is really good, more economical, really healthy for you. So I like to buy a lot of the Thrive Market brand stuff. And then I've got this other kind of pork rinds with barbecue seasonings. Now the plain ones are the only ones I've tried in the past, so the maple and the barbecue seasoning ones are going to be a different flavor. I haven't tried those before, but I'm really looking forward to them. Then I also have this coconut cashew nut granola that's grain-free from Pearly Elizabeth, and then cinnamon peanut butter. So Pearly Elizabeth's a really good brand. They have a lot of stuff. Thrive Market has a little bit cheaper. They also have more of a good variety of stuff. And even though it says 5 grams of sugar, like I said, it's paleo compliant. The sugar is not like, it's not like cane sugar or anything like that. It's like a coconut sugar, basically, that they put in it. And then in addition to that, I have 2 boxes of, this stuff is really good. This is like a sugar-free chocolate keto plant-based type pudding. So basically what you do with this is you just take the pudding and yeah, so it has stevia in it, and you basically mix it. I mean, you can put it with regular milk if you're having milk and you're not vegan or dairy-free, or like I like to do it with almond milk or coconut milk. And you beat it with a whisk, and then you basically just let it fridge in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then it's done, and it's really good. So anyhow, that's what I got this month. Sometimes I get more things. This month I just really didn't need a whole lot of stuff, so that's what I got from Thrive Market. If you have any questions about Thrive Market or about some of my favorite products, which in addition to what's in here, these are some of my favorite staples, but I have others that I really enjoy as well, reach out and let me know, or you can check out the link in bio for a special first-time order offer.